Good morning, everyone. I am Anjali Pant of class 11C from Kendra Vidyalaya No.1 Roorke. And I am not here just to elaborate something. I am here to express the feeling of every living organism who are surviving with scarcity of water. And please don't ignore all these things. Please don't be so careless that one day the scarcity word converted into extension. Yes, Vilupt. So, if we move on to my presentation, the first question is that what is water conservation? In Hindi, Jal Sanrakshan. So the definition is water conservation refers to the preservation, control, and development of water resources, both surface and groundwater, and prevention of pollution. So this will be the definition. But in my point of view, water conservation is the feeling to save the water. It is a good habit which we should develop in us. Now we will see some images of water conservation which is done by our school, Kendra Vidyalaya No.1 Roorke, and which is still going on. So here it is an online pledge which is conducted by our teachers. And in our country, pledge is not just about few words. It's about the emotion which we carry. So next is the webinar which is conducted for us to spread the awareness for water conservation. Here Dr. V.C. Goyal and Engineer Omkar Singh sir, our Honorable Principal Sir Mr. V.K. Tyagi, our respected Vice Principal Ma'am Srimati Anju Singh, who gave us the importance of water conservation. If we talk about practicality, so here we go. In this slide, we can see two pictures. In the first picture, we can see an RO which is connected with a thin pipe, and the pipe is connected with a bucket where the left water will collect, and further it will use as planting trees, washing floors. On second picture, we can see an ACs which are connected with the pipe, and the pipes are connected with bucket where the wastewater collect, and further it will use again as for planting trees. Moving on to the next slide. So in this slide, we can see in first picture a round shaped structure made up of mud and a small stones. It is made for collecting rainwater, which will convert it into groundwater in a natural process. In second picture, we can see a drum. So this is a small bucket reservoir used for collecting left water in our water bottles, and further we can use it for domestic purpose. Used water in hand wash tank is flowed up to the small covered garden and its reuse, which you can see in upcoming slides. So here are the pictures which I talked about earlier. There are some more pictures. Lastly, the conclusion is like why I'm talking about water conservation. Because we have some hope in some time the situation will be in control. So save water today or you have to pay back for tomorrow. Thank you once again.